Hello, today you're looking at a full circle water 20 cubic foot electric over hydraulic filter press brought to you by Lanco. It's been fully inspected, tested, and checked out here. Great working condition. We'll get that running for you in a second. As you can see, it does come with a plate shifter. On the end over here, we do have a pump control integrated on that as well. You can hook that up either to the blowdown or to the diaphragm pump, depending on your preference. This is wired for 110 volt. You got the air connected to the plate shifter up there. Overall dimensions is 184 inches length, 42 inches width, 72 inches high. This does come with 41 gasketed 800 millimeter plates. New cloths and gasketing can be added for an additional price. So you can see PVC plumbing as well. Between the legs down here is going to be 122 inches. And this was manufactured in 2018. All right, we got this hooked up right now. We'll get that going for you. Close, walk over so you guys can take a look. As you can see, great working condition, quiet running unit. Take a look at the plate shifter real quick. If you guys are interested, feel free to give us a call at the office. Phone number is 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.